Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and immediately choosing your transport. You need the required mission item and a light level that meets the zone gate. Once confirmed, mount a sparrow or open the map and select the closest fast travel point. Make sure your movement and jump mods are equipped so you can clear platform gaps. Move toward the eastern cliff line and keep to cover. Momentum matters here because a short fall resets the approach and wastes time. Once on the ridgeline, you switch to precise movement and route planning. You'll need to chain jumps across 4 to 6 meter gaps using boost or double jump timing. Press and hold your forward input slightly before each boost so momentum carries you. Meanwhile, avoid drawn-out fights, neutralize or bait patrols into a corner, then sprint past. Keep an eye on visual landmarks. A rusted arch and stacked crates mark the correct path. Adjust camera to read drop distances before each launch. You finish by climbing the final face and securing the edge trigger. Use a wall run or double jump into a short glide to reach the top platform. Once you land, move to the beacon and interact to register arrival. If you fail a jump, don't retry immediately. Reload the last checkpoint or reposition at a lower ledge to rebuild momentum. If glitches occur, unequip mobility modifiers, re-equip them, and try an alternate ledge approach. That usually resolves common clipping or physics issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.